This video is a collaboration with Dimple's Diary. She's so cute. I love the aesthetic of her channel. You should definitely check her channel out if you like student-based videos. Whether it's to become rich, famous, pretty, whatever. Everyone has dreams, but who actually follows through them? A lot of people say, I want to get fit, but every day they eat unhealthy food and they don't even work out. A lot of people say, I want to be productive, and the next thing you know, they've been scrolling on their phone for the past 4 hours. Well, there's something wrong there. Today, I'm going to be sharing some tips that will help you become that student and also get your life together. First off, don't just plan, reflect too. If you've been on this channel for a long time, you know I'm so big on planning, but not just planning, we also need to reflect on what we did in the past so we can do better next time. For example, math. If I'm just planning without looking at what happened to my math scores and what's wrong with my math scores, then I'll be doing the same thing again and again, and the scores will be the same. And in this way, I need to reflect and see, are my studying methods wrong? Why am I getting such a low score on a math test even though I did study? Through reflection, you can have different solutions, such as, active learning instead of passive learning, doing more exercises. Next, social media. Social media is such a big part of Gen Z's lives today, and it's undeniable that in some way or form they take up a lot of our time. So to avoid that and to reduce social media, because we know that cutting it completely is close to impossible, first of all, turn off all notifications. You don't need those be like ding, 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 ding when you're trying to study. Next, also put your phone as far away as possible when you're studying. I personally either put it behind my computer so I can't physically see it, or I put it in my charging area. It's a couple meters away from me, so I'm less tempted to stand up, walk over, and get my phone to scroll on. This next tip is really important for your mental health as a student, and that is to know that people come and go, friends come and go, relationships come and go. Family, not so much, but they could come and go in the long run. Sometimes you have to be selfish, and I don't mean selfish as in I'm so full of myself, everything has to go the way I want it to be. I mean as in giving yourself some self-love and understanding that you are the main character of your life, and it's not wrong to prioritize your own needs and to set healthy boundaries. The next tip is something I also find very helpful, which is to set a routine. Not just a morning routine or a night routine, which I have filmed before, some self-promo here, but I mean the routines that are fit for your daily lives. For example, I set a routine where from Monday to Friday, I only work on schoolwork, whether that's academics or extracurriculars. On Saturday, I work on content creation and more schoolwork or extracurriculars. And on Sunday, I try my best not to put any work on that day so I can kind of relax, hang out with my friends, hang out with my family, and also just catch up with everything that I must do on that day. And of course, you have to start somewhere. So we don't want to set those really unsustainable big goals that we both know that we aren't gonna be able to do it in the long run, because adrenaline wears off. So if you say something like, oh, I want to gain 1,000 subscribers in 2 days or a week or even a month, or I want to wake up at 5 a.m. from now on, that is not going to be easy, I'm telling you. So try to set little goals. What I can do, for example, for my YouTube channel, I would set goals like 10 subscribers at a time. Last but definitely not the least, please nurture your talents, because colleges, they're not only looking for people with good grades. They want people that are also skilled in different departments that are not part of academics. And having a talent or having something you're good at is so important so that you can stand out among other applicants. This is also a good way to train your time management skills, because it really takes a lot of time management to do school and also extracurriculars and things you love. But I think it's really worth it. Just don't overdo it. I myself have made the mistake of having a lot of extracurriculars. Currently on my list I have like almost 30 extracurriculars, but I don't have time to do anything else except for school and extracurriculars at this point, which is a little bit sad. So keep it balanced, you know. I think like 10 good ones or 3 to 5, investing a lot of time to 3 to 5 extracurriculars would be enough. And that is basically it for the video. I hope that you guys found anything helpful in this video. Make sure to check out Dim's video. I'm really excited to see her video too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.